In this video we'll look at a specific case of solving quadratic equations, which we refer to as the difference of two squares. First example here, we have 4x squared minus 9 equals 0. And the thing to notice here is that 4x squared is actually equal to 2x all squared. And 9, not negative 9, but 9 is equal to 3 squared. So what we actually have in this quadratic here is one square number subtract another square number, hence we have the phrase difference of two squares. Now when you have a situation like this, you can go straight to the answer. And what you will do is you would write this. You would take the two square numbers, or two squared terms, 2x and 3, and in one bracket you would put 2x plus 3, and in the second bracket you would be 2x minus 3. And then that's factorized, and you put that equal to 0, and then we solve. So we would have then 2x plus 3 equals 0, 2x equals minus 3, x is minus 3 over 2, and you would also have 2x minus 3 equals 0, so 2x equals 3, and x clearly equals 3 over 2. Now you may be a little confused about this, but if you just expand it out, you would look and you would get 2x times 2x is 4x squared, 3 times minus 3 is minus 9, and you would have 6x minus 6x, and they would cancel. So that's how you can get straight to that factorization. Let's have a look at another example. Here we have 16x squared equals 81. Now the temptation might be, well, let's divide by 16 and then let's square root. But let's actually rearrange it. Let's rearrange it into a quadratic equal to 0. What I would get here is 16x squared minus 81 equals 0. Now I can see clearly I've got the difference of two squares again. I have 16x squared, which is equal to 4x all squared, and I have 81, which is equal to 9 squared. So I can rewrite my equation as 4x all squared minus 9 all squared equals 0. This is the difference of two squares, so I know straight away I can write 4x plus 9, 4x minus 9 equals 0. And then I've got 4x plus 9 equals 0, so 4x equals negative 9, x equals negative 9 over 4, and clearly then I have 4x minus 9 equals 0, 4x equals 9, and x equals 9 over 4. So I've solved it without using any calculator whatsoever. So in summary, if you have a quadratic expression that can be written as one squared term, subtract another squared term. So here we have ax all squared. A can be any positive whole number, and c being again a positive whole number. You can straight away factorize it as ax plus c and ax minus c.